तर आयज आमी आसा सैमान नटिल्ल्या गांवांत पिळण बार्देज ह्या गांवांत. पिळण म्हणटा ते वर्सान वर्स मातयेचे फेस्त एक आगळे वेगळे फेस्त म्हणटा ते मनोवपाची एक परंपरा आसा. गांवच्या दायजा कडेन वळख करून दिवपी, मातये कडेन एक नातें जुळोवन दिवपी हे एक फेस्ताची वळख जावन आसा. पयलीं पिळण म्हणटा ते कुमाराचो गांव. हांगासर कुमार मडके करताले आनी खूब तरेच्यो मातयेंतल्यान कलाकृती करताले. पूण हांगासर प्लेग जालो आनी स्पॅनिश फ्लू 17th सेंचुरी स्पॅनिश फ्लू म्हणटा तो सगळे जगभर पॅन्डेमीक लागलेलो. तेन्ना पिल्यांचे लोक हांगासरल्यान हेका पॅन्डेमिकाक लागून दुसऱ्या गांवांनी शिफ्ट जाल्ले. आनी मागीर कांय वर्सां उपरांत जेन्ना फ्लू हो म्हणटा तो लो सोंपलो तेन्ना हांगासर एक फुतार्दो फॅमिली म्हणटा ते ह्या फुतार्दो फॅमिलीन हो गांव परत वसयलो. आनी हेजी यादीस्त म्हणून वर्सान वर्स हांगा मातयेचे फेस्त घडोवन हाडटा. हांगासर हे फेस्ताक रिलिजियस सिग्निफिकन्स कांय ना, फक्त दायजा बरोबर आपली वळख करून दिवपी हे फेस्त जावन आसा. गोंयचो फेस्तकार मोरेस फर्नांडीस हो हेजो क्रिएटर जावन आसा. आनी हांगासर तुमी पळयात हिंदू जावं क्रिस्तांव नाचत गायत ट्रेडिशनल डान्स करीत ह्या फेस्ताचो घोस काडटात. नाचण्याची भाकरी
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? All those who have parked.
Paging balance here also, you know.
Today is the 80th festival of Gomantak Festival, which is me. We've done in 23 years. We've done festivals all around Goa, and this is the second Matichem Fest. As you saw today, it is zero waste. It's inclusive and it's for all communities. For the first time ever, probably in the history of Goa, we saw the gumot meeting the saxophone. We saw the violin meeting the mandolin, and we had a fusion of Goan music with fantastic Goan musicians. We should be proud of what we've done. Today we've done the twinning of two villages. Karamboli and Pilan has got a long history. 1918 there was a pandemic in Goa and Pilan, and most of the people had to leave the village and go. So today we have brought them all together because they share the same saint, Saint John the Baptist, and they both have got unique lakes, Karamboli Lake and Alto Salve Lake. So we are hoping now that both the lakes have been notified that the villages will work together. Now I've got a certificate on my hand, and this is the first time I'm giving one, because this is my dear friend Angela Valadares, originally from Divar, but now living in Karamboli. Last month we had done a Patoya fest in a property of somebody at home, and it was in her property. She gave us her land, and she gets a certificate of kindness. Thank you so much.
I would like to say a big thank you to the two-wheeler owners who have removed their vehicles from the car parking. I can still see two two-wheelers still in the car parking. It would be nice if the owners of the two-wheelers in the car parking would move their vehicles outside the car parking. Thank you very much. Please do not block the roads. We need free flow of music, traffic, people.
लोकांचे मारे करतीस काढिले तुला कोणातले आता देवान आमकां सोडले पाखरा गेले आता पाखरे मोडिले तुयच्यान ना जायना ताचे तरहुडोले बाबो लोकांगीर जालेले पाडेले.
This is the second edition. Usually we used to have on 2nd October, but because of rain we took this Sunday. This time we were a little disappointed because of the rain, but now since the weather is cleared and the response is all the more growing, the interest is growing and more people are joining, especially people of other faith. So that is there. And this time a new concept of twinning has come. And it has been interesting also to know about history and to keep keep what is preserved, what is of importance, especially the lake and other things. Yes, so this is the major thing of the second Matichem Fest, and we hope that in future we will get more concepts preserving the nature, promoting interfaith relationship, which is the need of the hour today.
How was the difference last year and this year?
Difference is, yes, more and more people have come to realize now we need to have like this space for better relationship, because in the past there were some little not so good incidents, but now people have come to realize that let us not get bogged down with all these things, but let us create friendship between religion.
So now see, all these people are there, are working people, college and students. How did you manage to get together and make this a grand success?
We started the practices, as I said, 1 month back, and after the rosary, we used to have Our Lady at home in a village in the world. So after Our Lady, 5 o'clock was already, so after that they should not start the practices. Those two, though, so they used to gather already. There was no need for them to call. They used to go to Our Lady, and after that they used to practice. So practice was possible. 1 month they've been practicing.
So Matichem Fest विषय के संदेश किती ला?
Matichem Fest is, Mati is everything. If you preserve Mati, you're preserving yourself. You're preserving, you're getting your food, and everything that we depend on. We don't realize the link between Mati and ourselves. So it is high time to preserve this link and to make us realize that how Mati is important in our life.
पोरा कुशाल जाता आमची पोरा गोंयच्यान ती जाणा तिता साकार सोडा कुशाल जाता आमची पोरा आमी वावराडी आमी वावराडी आमी वावराडी आमी वावराडी हो समय आमी वता भाकऱ्यो आमी राखता वावराक आमी वयता माळार आमी चडटा नाल आमी काडटा माळाची ती सूर काडटा हो सकाळ आमी वावराडी आमी वावराडी आमी वावरे
Hey guys, and we want a few more dancers in the circle as well. Dominic Suarez is definitely gonna do you some more. Wait. Go on. 5 minutes. Okay. Move around in the circle. Move around in the circle. Go. Go.
आमी गोंया गाजोयतां मांडो म्हणून नाचोन उडोन दीस रे साता हो मांडो गोंयचो आमी गोंया गाजोयतां मांडो म्हणून नाचोन उडोन दीस रे साता
Greetings about Karambolim and Philen village. The more common similarities are the Saint John the Baptist Church. Both the villages having same two churches of Saint John the Baptist. Then the similarity in lake also. The thing is that what we know from the from Mr. Maurice and all. The story is that Furtado family came here in Philen long back ago to construct the bands of the Kazan lands, on the Kazan lands. The way here they have 7 sluice gates. Even in Karambolim we have 7 sluice gates. So that is also one of the similarities. I am very much impressed by seeing this Matichem Fest done by Mr. Maurice, his team, and the involvement of Philenkars, father of this church. I am really impressed with these things. The way they have done the arrangements, the preparations, it is all eco-friendly. I congratulate you all who done all these things because they have not used single plastic, nothing. So it's a pure eco-friendly Matichem Fest, which is the ground level fest. So I appreciate them as well as the similarities of Karambolim. We all know from the history, and today it is a pleasure for us to come here and get us involved in this Matichem Fest. And I have requested Mr. Maurice to have a bird festival on our Karambolim lake. that is Shewnyanche Fest. So I hope he will be definitely taking initiative in doing the Shewnyanche Fest in Karamboli on that lake.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पिळांच्यान संदीप नार्वेकार.